It's a couple Jordan 1 retros and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement threes and throw a little fit together. Get on the go, out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom, a little wanna rap, but this part about culture, you gotta be fly. Ralph Lauren with the Air Forces, put that shit on to the day that I die. Nikes over Adidas.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everybody's having a great day. Today, we have some early heat and some heat that came out, and I'm gonna give you guys a little background story on these. I got these from GOKU. I got these from GOKU too, but y'all already know. If y'all new, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell. Y'all let me know how the recap was for this past weekend. Who hit on the J5s? Who hit on the zebras in this video right here? Comment all that down below. Let me know what you guys hit on, or if you just picked something else up this weekend. You already know the vibes, man. Leave that all down in the comment section. Love to interact with you guys. Now, getting into this shoe right here. These came out, and I purchased these the day before they dropped in the United States. They dropped overseas first, and kind of sort of with these. These right here dropped overseas already, but the release date got pushed back from this Friday to like May 5th or May 4th or something like that. But these right here, man, I bought these on GOKU the day before they came out in the US. And moral of the story, they said that the shoe got shipped to them, and it just didn't update, and the seller didn't say that they had shipped the shoe, but they could see that the shoe was coming to them. About 15 days went by for real, and then they gave my money back. I mean, they did refund me the shipping and everything. GOKU is really good for giving you back your shipping or a percentage off of a shoe if you don't like something that came on the shoe and stuff like that. So they gave me that back. And I think what it was the shoe came out and it went up like 30, 40, maybe $50 at the most that they could get off of it. And they just decided that, hey, they didn't want to sell the shoe anymore. That's what I think happened. I ordered them again. And then I also got to see him for the first time when I was at Jay the Sneaker Guy's crib. And I was like, yo, G, these joints hard. Like, getting to see him in hand, I was like, yeah. But you know what's crazy? My partner Owens and my partner Twin, they both ordered from GOKU. And they had the same issue with a long time being able to get this shoe. But hey, it is what it is. They finally here. I bought the shoe for the exact same price that I bought them for the first time. It might have been like a 10-cent difference. It would have been more if they hadn't gave me the $13 and whatever it is for shipping. But enough of that, man. I've already looked at the shoes. You guys see the box, man. Let me know down in the comment section below how you guys feel about these shoes, because you know, a lot of people, I've seen some videos on YouTube where people saying that they got, I seen a dude say he got fakes from GOKU. Seen somebody saying StockX got fakes. I seen somebody saying that, you know, they compared both of the shoes. Well, you know, for me, one of the biggest tests is the smell. I mean, you can just smell. I mean, they smell different, fakes do, and just the quality of the shoe. Getting to see J's and feeling them, and y'all already know a lot of people talk about that bubble and how squishy they were. Somebody showed a real squishy pair of these joints. Like, the whole bottom was just, you could bend the whole thing in. Like, I'm squeezing this joint hard, and you can see that joint feeling good and legit. The smell is immaculate on these bad boys. I think that the craftsmanship of this shoe different. You know, it's something different. I love when they do that with the Jordans. I know Tony D was talking about how, yes, if this had been a bread colorway and they put the X on the back, of course they would have sold out a whole lot more. That would have been a crazy release. Now, me personally, I feel like because they had dropped the patent leather breads last year, right before the end of the year, they weren't going to do that again, I felt like, when it came to putting the bread colorway on there. But just like how we get top threes and different Jordans that get mixed and matched, how we got the LA to Chicago where they bring a colorway that changes into another colorway, or just mixing colorways in general. I think that that is something that Jordan Brand has gotten really good at, and just giving us a nice classic colorway. Of course, we're getting a classic colorway with the shadow colorway, and of course just getting hit with the slight band X that we have back there. And of course we had the band Jordan 1s that came out that had that X on them. Nice little mixture of the breads and the shadows. You know, we have the shadows right here. If you guys don't know what the shadows are, but I'm pretty sure everybody out there knows. And then we have that classic bread. Now, the one thing that I would say for this shoe that I personally would have changed, and I think that they could have made a capitalize on this small little detail for the Nike Air treatment right here. I probably would have made this red just to match how the breads are, because you already got the band X right there. You didn't have to really do it in white. You could have did it in gray. You could have did it in gray to match how the shadows are. You could have put the gray, but I think that this part right here, they just should have did red. I think that would have made it just pop just a tad bit. I mean, other than just having that band X back there. But overall, nice little combination of these bad boys. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about the Rebellion Air Jordan 1. Yeah, it was a must-have, man. It's crazy because people probably gonna be like, oh, you tripping, but I was gonna buy, yeah, I mean, I'm still gonna get the Georgetown ones. You know, it's a couple shoes that I know that I gotta get that have dropped already, but yeah, I had to have these, man. I had to have them. So I had to go ahead and pull the trigger, grab them. I feel like this is definitely a nice collector's piece, as well as a nice shoe to wear. Because y'all know that's what we do over here. We rock them shoes. Follow your boy over on Instagram at DaRetroWizKid. Let's get into the early heat before we end this video, you dig? So, early heat. Now, these came fast. Fast. I'm talking about fast. So when I did not hit on the Georgetowns, I bought these. Simple as that. I didn't hit on the Georgetown ones, so I purchased these. So like, I put a bid in. Bid got accepted around like 3 in the morning, like they always do. And yeah, got these bad boys instead. So these are set to release early dunk heat right here. These are set to release on May 4th or May 5th. Stay tuned for the full detail review and on feet. But these are the Nike Dunk Low Retro Premium Phantom Fossil Rose Aurora colorway. Y'all see the box right there. Make sure we get that. Boom, boom. And yes, we have the Fossil Rose Nike Dunk Low. And yes, the materials on these joints is on point. Now, if these had came out around the same time as them Curry Dunks, this shoe right here would definitely be going for about $400 to $500. Easy, easy. I got these bad boys for like $2 something early, like $215, I think. I got these joints early, and that's not bad considering that it's an early look for you guys. And I think that the price was reasonable, so I went on ahead and I pulled the trigger on these. Now, you know, now that they done got pushed back all the way to May, I don't know, some people might just jump on them, but I will give you guys all the details on that when we do the full detail review on feet of these. But stay tuned. Let me know what you guys think about these. These did drop already overseas, and like I said, they pushed the date back, but I definitely would say that the Nike Dunk Low and Dunk Low, dunks in general, the wave, it's been hyped. I feel like it's slowed down tremendously over the last year or so. I mean, we've seen the Pandas come out a bunch of times, but you know, the hype, I mean, let me know how y'all feel. Is the hype still there? You know, I feel like the Yeezy hype going up. You feel me? Yeezy bringing this hype back. But y'all let me know what y'all think about that. I feel like the dunk hype kind of wearing down, kind of like Jordan 1 hype. It's kind of, I feel like 3s, 4s, and I mean, they bringing a lot of different 3s and 4 combos out. 5s even coming back strong. But you know, it is what it is, man. We'll see, but stay tuned. We're gonna wrap this video up, man. Y'all already know I've been talking too damn much already, but it is your boy DaRetroWizKid. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't yet. Let me know what you guys think about the Rebellion Air ones. Let me know what you guys think about the Fossil Rose Dunks. Like I said, just a nice little sneak peek before we get into the full detail review and on feet of those. Till the next video, y'all, make sure y'all stay safe out there. Peace, love, in Laguna Beach, and we out this thing. Yeah!
It's a couple Jordan 1 retros, and they gotta be in your collection. You just collect them, you never gon' step in. I can respect it, but that ain't for me. I gotta lace up these black cement 3s and throw a little fit together. Get on the go out, place a bid, and hopefully I can just hit forever. I'm from the bottom.